Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we will give our Windows 11 a makeover. We will try to make our Windows 11 look and feel like the new liquid macOS Tahoe. For this makeover, we will be using a tool called MyDockFinder, which is available on Steam. MyDockFinder will completely change how your Windows 11 desktop looks. It gives you a smooth, animated, Mac-style dock with the macOS Tahoe liquid style. So this will give your Windows a fresh look, just like your macOS Tahoe in under 5 minutes. So let's get started. First, we will start by downloading the macOS Tahoe Wallpaper. So just go to this URL and download the macOS Tahoe Wallpapers. I will share all the download links in the video description below. So once downloaded, right-click on the zip file and click on Extract All. So for this video, I will be focusing on the dark version of macOS Tahoe. So, right-click on the macOS Tahoe Dark Wallpaper and then click on Set as Desktop Background. Once done, open your browser again and search for Steam. Just type Steam Download and click on the download button. So as I have already downloaded and installed the Steam application, I will skip this process. So once done, double-click on the Steam application to launch it. If you currently don't have a Steam account, you can click on Create a free account and proceed with your account sign-up. Otherwise, just log in with your credentials. Once you are completely logged in, click on the Store button on the top panel and in the search bar, type MyDockFinder. Now click on Add to Cart. So this is a paid application and it will cost you around $5 for a lifetime subscription. So just click on Continue to Payment and you can choose your desired payment method. As I have already added $5 to my Steam wallet, so I will select Wallet. You can choose to pay via credit card, debit cards, or even your UPI and internet banking. So after the payment details are added, you need to fill in your billing information. So just complete this and click on Continue. Now agree to the terms and conditions and click on Purchase. So once the payment is complete, just click on Library. Under Category, select Software and then you will see MyDockFinder. So just click on it and now click on the Install button to install the MyDockFinder application. So this will take a while until the application is downloaded and installed on your PC. So as soon as you run this application, you will see a Mac-style dock at the bottom and a menu bar at the top of your screen. As you can see that your Windows 11 taskbar is still visible. So to hide it, just click on Explorer and then click on Hide the taskbar. To make the desktop more cleaner, let's hide the desktop icons. To do that, right-click on your desktop and click on View. Now, click on Show Desktop Icons. So now you have a clean desktop that looks like your macOS Tahoe. With the clean macOS style top bar, you have a completely redesigned Windows 11 to experience. Once everything is done, we will move on to the next steps. Right-click on Dock and click on Preferences. Under Appearance, we have the options to set the transparency levels of your dock, your menu, and even the Finder. Now let's do that. To make your dock blurry and transparent, which will add a liquid transparent feel, just set the blur intensity and transparency to 10. So repeat the same for dock icon labels, content menu items, folder content grids, and even your MyDockFinder menu items. You can set the blur intensity and transparency levels depending upon your likings. So I prefer keeping it to 10. Now for the top bar, you need to set the blur intensity and transparency levels to 0 to give it a complete liquid look as you see on your macOS Tahoe. Now, we will move on to the setting macOS Tahoe icon set. Under Icon Theme, select Workshop. Under Skins and Themes, click on Icons. In the search bar, type macOS Tahoe. So now, you can choose the icon set depending upon your appearance mode. So for this video, I am focusing on the dark mode. So I will choose the macOS Tahoe Dark icon set. Just click on Subscription and then click on the Download button. Once downloaded, click on the Edit button. Now select macOS Tahoe Dark Icons and click on OK. As soon as you click on OK, you will see all the macOS Tahoe icons applied to your dock. In order to add any app icon to your dock, just click on Windows button on your keyboard and search for the required application and open it. Once the app icon shows up in the dock, just right-click on it and select Keep in Dock. Now this icon will always stay in your dock even if the app is closed. Now you can do this for as many apps as you like. Now let's move on to the Launchpad. So if you click on Launchpad, you will see something like this, and it will be empty by default. To fix this, go back to Preferences and click on Launchpad. Under Added Icons, select Added Icons and Start Menu and Desktop. Once done, just restart your dock. Now click on your Launchpad icon again and you will see a grid of app icons just like on your Mac. If there are shortcuts or links that you don't need, just right-click on them to remove them. You can also rearrange the icons by dragging and dropping them. Now again, open your MyDock preferences and go to Look and Behavior. Here, you can set your icon size and magnification values. This will give a beautiful hover effect to your dock items. Now, in order to keep the same look even after you restart, or if you want the same macOS Tahoe look permanently on your PC, just go to General, scroll down to Start on Boot method and click on Start as a Service. With this, MyDockFinder will automatically run after every restart. Also, enable the automatic hide taskbar on boot option. Now let's move on to Windows animation. So if you want a cool soothing Windows start and close animation, you can go to Preference and then click on Windows animation. Just enable the Windows open animation and select the type of animation that you want. Now scroll down a bit to Windows close animation and do the same. This will give your apps a cool animation while you open or close any application. You can explore more settings from the left panel of MyDock Preferences and make any modifications that you like. So there are tons of beautiful customizations that you can explore, and try and test the ones that you prefer and apply them onto your Windows. To give the final touch, we will apply the dark mode settings to your MyDockFinder. To do that, open Preferences and go to General. Scroll down to Appearance and then select Dark Mode. With this, all your app menus will turn into dark mode and your fonts will be visible in white. I personally prefer using the dark mode on my both Mac and PC. So this is more of a personal thing, so if you prefer the light mode, you can do the same. Lastly, let's talk about the Windows preview option. So if you hover on any app, you will see this small preview in the thumbnail. I like it though, but if you want to remove this, you can disable it from the Windows preview settings. With this, you have completely transformed your boring Windows 11 look into a fresh and beautiful liquid-like look that you have on your macOS Tahoe. So if you ever want to revert back to your old Windows 11 look, the steps are very simple. First, open MyDockFinder Preferences and go to General. Now turn off the Start on Boot options. Once done, restart your PC. So after the reboot, the default Windows interface should show up. Now click on Start and go to Installed Applications. Look for MyDockFinder and uninstall the application. And that's it, you are now back to your old Windows 11 interface. So that's it for today. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos like these. I'll see you in the next one.